last month was £147,000, best ever. I was doing 30, 40k before I even come here. I'm John Davis. I'm the Managing Director of Emerald Damp Proofing in Swindon. Since coming here, I've learned structure in the business, and do you know what? I'm not even 20% there yet. I'm still learning every day. That's why I'm here. Even when I'm having bad days, I still bring myself to come to the academy and meet the team and learn off everybody else. Also, one of my wins this month as well, that I'm franchising my business. We're looking at franchising Emerald to people around the UK. Day-to-day booking jobs in, materials, finance, cash flow, organisation, no CRM system. Just a mess. I mean, then we come along here and start putting a messy jigsaw into place. And I believe I'm not even there yet, just by following a few steps that Joseph's taught us and Paul's taught us. I can see the picture anyway now. I can see where I'm going. Mondays is good for me now. It's not as bad. Fridays is even better because we get to go and enjoy our life and be with our family more. And obviously the money helps as well. I'm still growing. I'm getting too big too fast, I think. So I need to, again, speak to Joe and maybe have a one-on-one with someone. And it's really exciting times ahead for Emerald. Winged it really and asked Dave in the pub or Eric down the merchants what to do, and no professional advice. Do you know what I mean? I think we all start off business not knowing what we're doing, and we sort of fall into habits and that. But yeah, it's certainly, this academy's, it's like a family now. Do you know what I mean? We do the chats on a Wednesday, Zoom time in. We're all in a WhatsApp group so we can help each other, and we're always firing questions at everyone. Contact me and I'll speak you through it, and I'll tell you all about it, how it's improved me. You've got 80 people here today that are all got wins like I've got. You've got people who've been doing this for a long time with Joe and have even come back for even more. So I'd imagine myself, even though I'm growing, I'll still be here this time next year asking for more advice. 100% recommend it. Hey, come along, try it. It's a free discovery day. Can't guarantee everything, but I can guarantee this.